read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in the class, we taught to the students it's very easy peasy work. Letter Z, uppercase and lowercase. But the question is that how you have to teach this letter at home? Formation is very easy, but which object is easier for yourself to keep on the table? 0 and zip. Keep the bag on the table and show the zip to the kid. Here is a zip. Yes, blue zip on blue bag. Let's start. Firstly, we will teach the formation, then sound, pronunciation and its vocabulary words. Let's start. Start from the first line, make sleeping line, make slant line, make another sleeping line. It will make capital Z. Start from second line, make sleeping line, make slant line, make another sleeping line. It will make small z. The letter name is Z. The sound of Z is Z. 0. Zeppelin. Zebra. Zip. Do you know about zebra crossing? Okay, don't know? Look over here. Never run on the zebra crossing ever, okay? Be careful. Now, story time. They will visualize the story. Are you happy? Okay, very good. I hope so. You enjoyed today's lesson. You will teach like that at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.